girlfriend is have six pack?
We talk about something else.
Your girlfriend is you have six pack? Fuck. You are very okay. That is historic is a topic is under the table.
Yeah, under the table. We can be all done.
Yes, you are natural people. I am natural people. Is a boy is going woman. Woman is going boy. Never woman is going woman.
I'm trying,
Never boy is going boy. Never. Okay.
It's different for you.
Mistake is the world.
Okay. I don't want to talk about this in front of my followers because my followers look to me as someone who advocates for everyone because I love everyone no matter what. No matter what, I love everyone no matter their choices.
Tomorrow I'm done listening this one. Okay?
Oh, all right. I'm going to go.
Tomorrow.
I don't want to talk about this anymore.
English.
Let's see.
Tokko usab boyda. Mina baatante harrees dhiiraaf dhiira wal fuutu jaalata wusha. Waan afaan Oromoo dubbata harma jala kosiin takka harma jala teete usab bonaa harrees dhiiraaf dhiira wal fuutu in hayyamta sammuuta teete tayyama. Amma tun
Everybody has different ways that they grew up.
Harma jalatti laa commenti waan inni barreessu usab boo jedha kosi.
What does that mean, Mohammed?
Dhiira galtee dhalaan dhala galtu wusha taa. Usabona jette sanu afaan dubbatte liqaaqa. Baby, I am sorry. Small people comment. I am mira keessa galu. Okay, I am angry. One comment. Okay.
Okay.
If I am talking for you, it's a nice and dangerous mix. All is joking. Nice to meet you. I love you.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Never worry. Okay.
Okay.
I am small mira keessa galu. Is a every day, one day is joking. I love you. You are freedom. You going your girlfriend. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Oh my goodness.